Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Airbnb application not working. If your Airbnb application is not responding while you are trying to sign in or sign up to your account with the app, then here are some troubleshooting general steps you can take and follow to resolve the issue. The first thing you'll need to do is to check for your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet whether you are using a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that resolves the issue. Next, restart your application. Swipe up from the bottom of your home screen from your mobile device and you will be able to bring up the app switcher. Push upwards for your Airbnb application just like that, and you can also force close any other applications on the background and then open the Airbnb application again. If the problem still continues, check if you have the latest version of Airbnb application installed on your device. Go ahead and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and go to the search box. Type in Airbnb and search. Once you go ahead and find this application, look for an update button on the page. If you see update button on the interface, tap on update to get the latest version of Airbnb installed on your device. Once you have the latest installation for the app, open the app and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, then consider deleting and reinstalling the application. Press and hold the Airbnb app and tap on Remove App or Uninstall button and tap on Delete. Once you confirm your app deletion, go ahead and download the application again from your App Store or your Play Store and open the app, and that might be able to fix your issue right away. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through Airbnb application not working issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.